guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, before I do anything, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. But I have something very exciting to tell you. Remember the Via Faro area in Scalea? That area way up above, right across from the historic center? It is such a popular area. In fact, there hasn't been anything available there for a very long time because all our clients came in and snapped up all the properties. This is a gorgeous area, best views in Scalea, and this property is great because it is renovated and it's 2 beds, 1 bath, 71 square meters with a terrace that has the most spectacular views in Scalea. You're gonna love this property and you're gonna love the community up there. Scalea is just really, really a beautiful place to be.